the market pulse is positive. This is trading above its zero signal line, and the pulse scan crossed below the swing VIX 2 periods ago. Okay, thus the changing from the blue to the red candle. The trend channel is now down, so we have negative momentum entering into the market. That would make us, lead us to believe that we can have lower prices, or sideways, lower to sideways prices within the next 3 to 5 days. Now, we've already created 3 bars into the cross, so Monday and Tuesday is going to be critical as to if we're going to gather momentum or not to the downside. The last signal on the daily was an oversold buy signal 11 periods ago. Now, since the swing VIX crossed its moving average, the euro currency's price has increased 0.61% and has ranged from a high of 1.2393 to a low of 122.09. The market trend, same as the weekly, is bearish retracement, and we're still in a bearish scenario. And for trend strength, it's a bearish consolidation because we are consolidated within the trend. As for volatility on the daily chart, on June the 25th, the euro currency closed below the upper band by 20.9%. Now, the footnote on the volatility side is that being that we closed below the upper band by 20.9%, this combined with the steep uptrend that we've had from off the reaction lows from June the 7th would lead us to suggest that the upward trend in prices has a good chance of continuing. However, a short-term pullback inside of the volatility bands is likely, so we could pull back a little bit more, probably testing this key support level that was hit on June the 14th, which is 121.14. We need to see if that holds, and if it does, then we should see another test of the June 21st high of 124.65. According to Pandora's little black box, we do have a suggested entry. We have a possible intraday first pulse wave that may occur on Monday, and this would cause a consolidation breakout to the downside. So we'll be looking to short at 122.22 with a profit target of 119.23 and a stop loss with a stop and reverse at 123.36. Our intraday price projections for Monday's trading is we see resistance at 123.62 and support at 122.85. We will watch for a possible trend reversal with a close above 124.65 and a possible continuation, putting in a second leg to the downside with a close of 122.09. So in other words, if we're triggered, if our short is triggered at 122.22 and we close below 122.09, we will seek to hold that position, move to stop the break even, and hopefully pick up some acceleration into Tuesday and Wednesday. That's all I have on the euro currency. So please stay tuned for further updates in other markets.